Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the evolution of surveying technology in civil engineering. Survey is the process of measuring and mapping the physical features of the earth. It's a critical part of civil engineering and it is used to plan, design and construct everything from roads and bridges to the buildings and dams. Over the years, survey technology has evolved significantly. In the past, surveyors used simple tools like chains and levels to measure distance and elevations. But today, there are a wide range of sophisticated technologies available, including GPS, laser scanners, and drones. These new technologies have made surveying faster, more accurate, and more efficient. They have also opened up new possibilities for surveyors, allowing them to collect data in ways that were never before possible. Let's take a look at some of the key milestones in the evolution of surveying technology. Theodolites. Theodolites are surveying instruments that use a telescope to measure angles. They were invented in the 16th century and were the standard surveying tool for centuries. Triangulation. Triangulation is a surveying technique that uses the angle between three or more points to determine the distance between those points. It was first used in the 18th century and is still a widely used surveying technique today. GPS. GPS or Global Positioning System is a satellite-based navigation system that allows surveyors to determine their exact location on Earth. GPS was first developed by the US military in the 1970s and became available to the public in the 1980s. Laser scanners. Laser scanners are surveying instruments that use laser beams to measure distances and create three-dimensional models of objects. They were first developed in the 1980s and have become increasingly popular in the recent years. Drones. Drones or unmanned aerial vehicles are increasingly being used in the surveying. Drones can fly over difficult terrain and collect data that would be difficult or impossible to collect using traditional surveying method. Conclusion. The evolution of surveying technology had a profound impact on civil engineering. New technologies have made surveying faster, more accurate, and more efficient. They also open up new possibilities for surveyors, allowing them to collect data in ways that were never before possible. As surveying technology continues to evolve, it's clear that the future of civil engineering is bright. With the help of new technologies, surveyors will be able to collect even more accurate and detailed data, which will lead to better informed planning and design decisions.